Hey, what's up, Dean? Zip Performance. Still Saturday, technically. Still at the shop. I moved the Firebird out, and as you can tell, obviously the Camaro's not out there. It's up in the air. And I don't really know, but it just started taking little things apart. I said, oh, if I get the exhaust off, I'll be good. I got the exhaust off, all one piece, all the way back. It's kind of neat that you could take that whole thing apart in one shot. So that's off. Then I was like, oh, let me get the heat shield off, pop the drive shaft out. Then it was take the shift linkage off. Then it was disconnect the O2s. And I just kept plugging away. And honestly, it's pretty much ready to drop out. I have to disconnect this battery cable wherever it connects up over there. But I got the hoses off. You can see the lower radiator hose is disconnected. The AC compressor is disconnected. The belt is off. It's one of those stretch fits. I popped the lines in front of the motor. Upper hose is disconnected. Main belt obviously is off. The entire harness is pulled up over there. I'll show you. So that is the entire harness, which you don't need to pull the entire harness. I could have gone the other way and pulled the plugs from the ECU. I don't know why. I just started disconnecting the harness thinking it would be easier, so I'm going to try it this way. That main battery cable looks like it goes right here to the side of the fuse box. Yup. So disconnect that. The transmission lines are disconnected down somewhere right there at the end of those rubbers. Oh yeah, you can see them right there, the two steel lines. That's disconnected. Steam port, intake's off. Like everything is disconnected. So I think with that battery cable, just this one that goes here, I believe it is ready to drop out. Heater hoses are off. They're up here. I believe it's ready to drop out. Like if I really wanted to put another hour in, which I kind of do, but I'm not gonna, I could have this out if it's just that one battery. The only thing I'm questioning is the radiator, because there's really no mounts. There's two up top, but it's pinned. Like these rubber isolators drop into a bracket. So I don't know if the radiator is going to try and drop with the car or with the subframe, which I don't really want, because then the AC condenser and all that stuff. So I may have to somehow or another strap the radiator up in place. I may watch a video. I doubt it, but power steering's disconnected. Yeah. Like it's ready to come out. Don't want to lose my screwdriver. So, kind of excited because Monday I should have it out and on the floor. So this isn't the LS3, this is like the L92, I believe is what he said. So it has all the DOD, active fuel management. I believe it's a little bit different of an intake. I'm not sure. I'm honestly not sure. I do believe he had a bad injector, or something was going on. You can see this one's like melted inside, and the plug was melted too. That kind of looks like oil. See, that one's clean. That one's clean. That one looks like it's got oil. Where are you little shit? That one's clean. Clean. Oh, look at that. They're even marked positive and negative. Well, at least the positive's marked. So I'm not sure what was up with that. Like, it's just weird to me that, see, and there's some fuel staining around this one, whereas there's not on that one. I don't know, it looks like oil though. I don't know. Whatever. We got a new intake. That's what I was gonna do. Monday before I drop this, I am gonna double check that intake will actually slide on. I believe it will, because it's like a low profile intake. But I got everything I believe that I need. The throttle body's off, the brake booster hose is off, starter's right there. So I don't know. I think it's ready to pop out. This is weird that this is floppy with a bunch of holes in it. That's kind of weird, but I think he added this chin spoiler, or somebody added it at some point. But anyways, yep. So yeah, I'm gonna post this tomorrow. So you'll have one today, one tomorrow, or no, you had the one yesterday, and then you'll have one today, which will be Sunday. So we'll see. And then Monday, have another one, and then probably Tuesday. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Leave me a comment. As always, have a good day.